Power Cat 69. Today I have another video of the Hunter original. I finally got the whole thing restored, painted, and it's all dealt with now. So the last time you're seeing this, I'm going to give it away or sell it and hopefully have another one in place of it. So yeah, the blades have been balanced out. Switch housing's finally painted. Faceplate's been painted, blades painted. Still don't have the mounting. It needs oil still, but everything's been painted. So this should be ready to be given back. So just gonna plug it in. Don't know what speed this is, but blade's still slightly off. That can be dealt with easily. Definitely, I did a good job. I wish I still had the original thing to compare, but I had to take down the video, so this is in forward direction. Still needs oil. So I'm just gonna okay, it's on high. So that's high speed. This thing is really powerful. I'm gonna set it to medium. I'll say I did a good job with the blades. Just needs a little bit more bending and I think it'll be set. This is medium speed. So let's go to low. That's low, right? I can't tell. I'm not used to slow lows. Like, I'm used to industrial speed stuff. Yes, that is low. And I don't think I'll be able to do a test of oil because the way these things are, if you put them on the side, the oil will leak out. So I'm just going to leave it for the owners to put the oil in. So it's medium, low. Now here's off. Yes, the blade is still slightly tweaked and I'm still using the terrible mounting. It's definitely a lot better though. So that's another one restored. Reminds me of what it is. Reminds me of what it would have looked like when it was brand new. So yeah, switch housing looks pretty good too. For being completely redone, looks pretty good. The pull chain, I did a good job masking that. The blades, I was worried those were going to turn out bad, but those actually ended up looking pretty good. The top of the motor stayed the same color because that can be polished off really easily. Still using the terrible mounting. Not much has really changed in function for this thing. Just put it back. You get a top view. Does definitely need oil. But I'd say for what this once was, something that couldn't even get itself started, this is amazing. Alright, I gotta end this video because I have like 10% battery left, so thanks for watching, bye.